Hello and welcome back to the chaos. If you're new here, hi, my name's Allison. You can hear my kids in the background because we just got to our hotel room. We are staying at Saratoga Springs in a brand new refurbished preferred studio in the Springs. The room is 3532, I think. 3532, 385. Let me look. I literally just looked so that I wouldn't do this, and then here we are, me looking. 3532. So these rooms honestly remind me of the Riviera, if you've seen the Riviera rooms. My apologies, I've been on a plane all day, but let us begin this tour. So you first walk in, it's got this lovely, just like entrance. Brand new floors, they used to be carpet. Here's a mirror, hello. And then it goes right into this gorgeous bathroom. Look at this backsplash. I love this. I'm gonna show you guys, but you can see that it says cleaned right there. It's got a little space for your own toiletries if you want to bring them. Once again, it's like, it's really pretty. It's tile, but, and then one of those showers, the rain showers. Double shower head, which is cool. Great sliding glass doors. Here is the space overall. Look at my children's socks. Lovely. And then it goes over into its usual. It's got one of these, like, just a sink. But it's really pretty, really updated. I'm loving, oh, look at that. That's really pretty. Right there, it looks like it's a hanging picture. And then it's got a makeup mirror right here. And two little drawers. I don't think anything's in them. Yeah, nothing's in them. But two little drawers. Over to the side. Sorry, I had to. My kids are being super loud. There is an iron, a ironing board, some hanging extra pillows, blankets for the pull-up bed that I will show you, and then a usual safe. And then you come over to this little kitchenette where we have, hello. We have put all our food in, or have already moved in basically, but there is some storage up here up top with the paper plates and cups and silverware and all of that. And if you didn't know this about the studio, you only get paper in the studio, so paper cups, plates, bowls, and you will get like glassware and silverware in one bedrooms and up. Anyway, ice bucket, microwave, toaster, coffee maker, some coffee, some washer, some dishwashing stuff, a tiny little sink. There's a little more storage down below, and then a fridge. In the main room they have this like really pretty now automated system. It looks kind of like a nest. It's not a nest, but it looks like one. There is a pretty little side table right here. Phone, chargers, USB ports, light goes on. Didn't mean to do that. This adorable artwork. Hey. Okay, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. A queen size bed right here. A Rosie. It's got this storage underneath, which is my favorite because you can put all your suitcases and stuff and you don't have to use up closet space. Another side table, same USB ports, chargers, all of that. Here is our bags that we haven't undone, but here is some more storage. It's just like a little seating bench and a little mirror. Seating bench right here, and then look, okay, USB port and more chargers, but look at this. Is this not so pretty? To me, honestly, these look like the one bedrooms at Riviera, or not one bedrooms, the studios at Riviera, because it's got this gorgeous one-handed pull down, which is my favorite thing that Disney has implemented in putting these in. So this goes down, pulls out into another queen size bed. These beds are super comfortable. You've got this adorable artwork, a little hidden Mickey right there. There's a little light. Gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then like I said, because this is a preferred room, It does have a beautiful view of, there's my child. It's got a great like safe lock here. There's 2 locks. There we go. And then here is a really pretty view of the lake. And we are super close to the front and food and the restaurants. And 2 little chairs and a little table right outside. I also wanted to show you guys it enhanced cleaning. It shows you everywhere that it's been cleaned, including this, which is this remote that's in a bag. It's lovely. But look at this. So this is sealed to show that there are clean sheets and blankets in there. I love it. So here is the back side of the room. There's one of my children. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already following us on social medias and elsewhere, please feel free. All of my social medias are linked down below. And if you're not subscribed to us on here, make sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!